Pakistan's first moon mission, Qamar, launched. Satellite will circle around moon for 3 to 6 months. NAB devising policy to save politicians, MPs from political victimization. NAB is now devising a policy to save politicians and parliamentarians from bureaus past like political victimization. Top story. How FBR failed to achieve end-to-end digitization. FBR failed to undertake 8 crucial steps for end-to-end digitalization leading to revenue generation despite the establishment of Pakistan Revenue Authority Limited. NAB devising policy to save politicians, MPs from political victimization. NAB is now devising a policy to save politicians and parliamentarians from bureaus past like political victimization. WB wants income tax slabs rationalized. World Bank asked Pakistan to rationalize slabs of personal income tax, PIT, for the salaried and non-salaried class. PM orders best hospitality for Saudi business delegates. PM Shahbaz directed all the relevant authorities to ensure maximum hospitality for Saudi business delegation due tomorrow, Sunday. Nawaz calls PM over wheat scandal. PMLN Supremo Nawaz Sharif has taken a decisive action amid ongoing wheat scandal, calling Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif to address the crisis. Shahbaz, Bilawal discuss politics. Bilawal called on Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif and discussed matters related to mutual interests. PTI ready for talks with all opponents except 3 parties, Imran. Imran Khan said his party has been saying for 18 months that it is ready for talks as dialogue is always part of politics. Top story. Bite backlash, new cybercrime agency raises eyebrows. Government established new agency for probing electronic crimes, effectively making the FIA's cybercrime wing defunct. Bilawal picks Sardar Salim, Kundi as Punjab, KP governors. Bilawal picked Sardar Salim Haider for post of Punjab governor and former NA Deputy Speaker Faisal Kareem Kundi as PPP nominee for KP governor. PTI ready to hold talks with any power with Imran Khan's release top agenda. PTI leader says dialogues will be centered on PTI founder and political prisoners' release, not to strike any deal. Sardar Salim Haider, Faisal Kareem Kundi picked for Punjab, KP governors slots. Salim likely to replace Governor Balai in Punjab, Kundi to succeed Haji Ghulam Ali in KP. No message received for talks, Gohar. PTI chairman Gohar made it clear that his party had not received any message for dialogue and was not talking to anyone. King Charles Charity partners with MKRF. British Asian Trust, BAT, has announced that it will be working in partnership with Mir Khalil Rahman Foundation, MKRF, and GEO News to promote mental health and well-being on a scale never seen before. U.S. to see historic launch of T20 matches. T20 World Cup to be played in America from June 2 will be a unique addition to the history of the game of cricket. A senior Hamas official, Husam Badran, has said that the group was in the process of conducting internal dialogues among its leaders and with allied groups before negotiators returned to Cairo to continue negotiations towards a truce. But he warned that Netanyahu's repeated statements insisting he will send forces into Rafah were calculated to thwart any possibility of concluding an agreement. Netanyahu was the obstructionist.